Hi, I'm Michael Lowe. I am a teacher, a game developer, and also a curriculum designer with about 20 years of experience in the classroom teaching English language arts. One thing that I noticed while I was working in the classroom was that school in many ways is a badly designed game. The word gamification doesn't make much sense since it's already a game, but it's not designed for the people who matter most, which is players. The other problem is gamification attempts usually do something kind of silly, which is they attempt to use games designed for other contexts and other audiences to teach in a classroom setting, which is completely ill-matched and a bad choice. So I began developing a tabletop role-playing approach that was focused on academics and also on the classroom. And I've had amazing success with it, teaching online in the last 5 years. And it's been adopted by a bunch of classroom teachers from the US, from Canada, and used to teach writing with wildly successful results. So in this session, I'll talk through what the design elements are that really help foster a powerful collaborative culture in the classroom and improve socio-emotional skills, while at the same time improving academic results, and some of the ways in which my teachers have been beginning to use this as a sort of overarching approach and teaching things like math, science, and social studies using it. I'll also talk about pitfalls and struggles that we've encountered along the way and how people can put it into practice in their own rooms. Thanks so much, and hope to see you all soon. Bye.